Hi there, my name is Alex Jacobs. I'm the President and CEO of Anchor Audio, and I'm here to show you the Bigfoot. So the Bigfoot is a battery-powered line array PA system. It lasts about 6 to 8 hours in a full charge and is completely wireless. It can handle up to 1 to 4 wireless microphones and also has Bluetooth technology, and this one has an incorporated transceiver so you can wirelessly connect as many Bigfoot are within a 300-foot range. So what really makes this product unique is the transportation and the storage ability of the unit. So I will show you real quick how that happens. So when you're all done, the top array folds down like this. It latches down here, and you have wheels and a handle right here on the back to cart the whole thing away. And on the back right here is your back panel, where all your inputs and your receiver is going to sit. So on your back here, you have your 2 built-in receivers that can handle up to 4 wireless microphones. This is the transceiver, so you can wirelessly transmit to as many Bigfoot are within range. This is your battery charge indicator status, your Bluetooth. These are all your EQ, your bass treble, and your volume for your mic 1 and mic 2 wired microphone inputs. And then you also have a 3.5 and quarter-inch inputs and a 5-volt USB out to charge your phone as well. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website at www.anchoraudio.com.